Roast the asparagus at 425 degrees for 12 minutes. Simmer the potatoes with garlic and thyme, drain, then dress with olive oil and salt and pepper. Generously season your steak, then sear on both sides for a few minutes. Add some butter, crushed garlic, and rosemary, then baste. Now rest the steak and empty out the pan. Sauté the mushrooms and onions first, then sweat in the garlic for a minute. Deglaze with red wine and reduce until it looks syrupy. Pour in the beef stock and reduce by half. Now add in the mustard, cream, butter, and rosemary. Adjust the seasoning to taste and present your dish.